Transform your drive with GlowShift's Gauge Cluster Dashboard Panel for 1986 to 1993 Chevrolet and GMC S-Series trucks. This factory-fitted panel is featured in OEM black, built sturdy, and seamlessly replaces the stock cluster trim. 2 green LED turn signals, a check engine light indicator, and high beam indicator are included. Simply use the factory hardware for secure mounting and easy bolt-on installation. Add 2 85mm and 4 52mm GlowShift gauges to get the right look for your compact pickup. Select a gauge series with analog or digital displays and multicolor modes. GlowShift's direct replacement gauge cluster dashboard panel. Shift into superior performance for any first-gen square body S-Series.